Hello everyone, welcome to H&S Automotive, and thank you for taking an interest in this 2005 Chevy Tahoe. In this video we're going to make a super quick walkthrough of this vehicle, just kind of pointing out the main imperfections. Starting off in the front, we did replace this bumper right over here, so this is a brand new bumper. The old one was damaged. It does have brand new headlights. It used to have those older ones which were faded, so those were replaced. We do have an imperfection on the hood right over here, and you guys can see this hood is out of alignment. Just kind of taking a look at the tires. Tires are in great condition, so no issues with the tires. We gave it brand new brakes, so it's got brand new pads and rotors in the front, as well as brand new brake lines. So as you can see, the vehicle has brand new brake lines. Now that's a super common issue on these things, so it's been addressed on this Tahoe. Just kind of moving along, taking a look at the rear. Once again, tires in great condition. The rear brakes are newer. We did not replace these, but the previous owner did, so rear brakes are in decent condition as well. We do have some rust right over here, which is very common. And then just kind of taking a look at the frame. As you can see, there is some rust on the frame. We'll get a better look at it once we lift it in the air. Just kind of coming around towards the back. Decent condition. And then taking a look on the passenger side. Once again, some rust right over here. Tires in good condition. And then look at the frame right there. And then just kind of coming around. Once again, tires in good condition. We've got the frame right over there. From here, we'll lift the vehicle up and take a look underneath. All right, guys, as you can see, we've got the Tahoe on the lift. We're going to be taking a look at the undercarriage here. We'll start from the front, work our way towards the back, starting with the front suspension. As you guys can see, everything is properly mounted and secured. The CV boots are not ripped or torn. Now, if these were ripped or torn, we'd see grease all over the place. Just be a mess down here. We've got the brand new rotors and pads right over there. Same story on the driver's side. CV boots are intact. Everything is properly mounted and secured. Brakes have been replaced. Got the lower control arm right there. And then the undershielding is still in place as well. It's good to see. And we'll just kind of move this out of the way. And then taking a look, we got our engine right over here, and then transmission. We got a little bit of seepage on the engine compartment, but nothing too crazy. This vehicle does have a new starter, so previous owners replaced the starter at some point. Got the front drive shaft going to the front differential. Got the exhaust running towards the back. And then taking a look over here at the frame, we do have the rocker panels which are rusted out. So as you guys can see right over there, rocker panels are rusted, but the frame for the most part is in decent condition. And then we got the brake lines right over here which have been replaced. Just kind of taking a look. We got the fuel tank right up here, rear drive shaft running to the rear differential, our exhaust pipe right there, and then here is the passenger side. So once again, rockers are rusted, as you can see right over there, but the frame for the most part is in decent condition. Now we are in Wisconsin, so this is very normal for Wisconsin. If you're in the south, you would think this is abnormal. Just kind of moving on towards the back, taking a look. We got the rear differential right over here, and then the rear frame. So I'm gonna get a screwdriver. I'll just kind of demonstrate that the integrity of the frame is still there, and you guys can be the judge. All right, so from here we'll just kind of do a frame test. I got a screwdriver right over here. I'm just gonna stab the frame with it just to kind of show it doesn't go through. So nice and solid. I'll do the same here. So up here, there's actually no corrosion. The corrosion is just located right down here. I'm just kind of moving on towards the back. I'll just kind of demonstrate it in the back as well. So we got the rear frame. So even though it looks really rusty, it is still solid. Then, all right, and then this is a much better view of the tires in the back. Plenty of tread left, so the previous owner must have just replaced them. And right over here. Awesome. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to ask. Thank you. Bye-bye.